Atos has been involved at the beginning in FiWare when it was an R&D project, so we have contributed to many of the bricks and the modules of FiWare. We have decided with other companies, typically engineering, Orange and Telefonica, to go now to a second step, finishing with the R&D portion and going into the real usage in the industry of FiWare. Before doing that, we have checked that the basis of FiWare were appropriate, that no competing product was available or competing standard, and that the overall structure was sound. That has been checked in our stress test, which we have just finished recently. Then we have decided to go full speed to push FiWare in a new kind of situation where it can be used by many industrial companies in 3 different domains. Smart city, which was the original objective, but we have added the smart industry and especially Industry 4.0, as well as agri-food and smart agri-food, which is also an important element of development. FiWare is covering primarily Internet of Things, but also to a certain extent part of analytics and part of the various provisioning module. What is important is to recognize that in the competition which is starting now in smart city, in smart industry, in smart agri-food, some part is really competitive with a lot of added value, some part is likely to become a standard. And so FiWare is concentrating on that portion of the platform which is likely to become a standard. This part is really the one which is collecting data, leaving to every industrial company or startup to build upon FiWare the proper analytics and the proper decision support. Atos will be one of the 4 initial partners to the foundation. One of the things Atos has been insisting upon is the fact that the foundation be built around the very specific business objectives in such a way that technical architecture and technical choices are not prevailing upon the business objective. In the structure we have decided for the FiWare Foundation, there will be one board which will be resembling all the manager of each of the 4 companies, and there will be as well a technical committee to take the technical decision. Every new member which could join, it could be user member or industry member, will be eligible to have a seat in the board, okay? And for smaller companies, if they are regrouped by 10, they could also have board seats and be part of the technical committee. So all that is for us the basis of the success of FiWare in this second chapter of its existence, which is adoption by the largest possible number of companies.